Hey guys, it's Zoe, and today we're back for another episode, and it's Taco Tuesday! I love tacos, after sushi of course. I love to eat tacos at Monterey's, they're so good. Usually we do soft tortilla plain tacos, but tonight I'm trying something new. I'm trying oven-baked cheesy tacos. You always need the cheese. Of course. So here's the ingredients you need. They're also down in the descriptions below. Now that we have all that prepped, we're gonna cook the meat. You have to make sure that in this recipe, it's gonna be fully cooked and you're gonna crumble it. And I've been cooking it on medium heat. You'll know when it's cooked when it's all brown and not pink. This is called a colander. You're gonna be putting the meat in and draining the fat. And here's the trick. If you don't want your drain to be clogged, always run water while you're putting things in the colander. Now we're gonna be putting the beans, taco seasoning, and salsa mixed with the beef. And make sure to mix this all together on low heat. Now we're going to spoon the beef mixture into the taco shells and top it with cheese. It might get a little messy. Now that we're done, we're gonna put the tacos in the oven. We're gonna set an 8 to 10 minute timer. But remember, it's the 21st century. Alexa, set a 10-minute timer.
10 minutes, starting now.
You can put whatever toppings you want. I have lettuce and tomatoes. Now it's time for my taste tester. Tell us what it tastes like, Max. Rating from 1 to 10. 10.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you click the like button and make sure you subscribe.